welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're all having a great day. I'm excited because we have another Sprinkles and Wishes unboxing. I did do this earlier this month for like an Easter theme, and I thought this was such a cute subscription. This is very kindly sent to me for review, so thank you so much for that. But a little bit about it, it's kind of like a little bit of stationery, like you get pins and stickers and things, but you get 2 Wish bracelets, which are super cute. And there's generally a theme to each box. The one, like I said earlier this month I did was an Easter theme, and it was absolutely adorable. So I am ready to dive in here and see what this one is all about. I do know the theme is the Wizard of Oz. And just a little backstory. I'm gonna put it out there. When I was a little girl, The Wizard of Oz was my absolute favorite movie. I'm talking about, I watched it over and over and over, every day. Kind of like Christopher is with his Marvel movies. It was my go-to. I had to watch it all the time. Well, I watched it so much that I ended up becoming terrified of thunderstorms and would like freak out because I was like, our house is gonna blow away. So I don't watch that movie anymore, but I still love the movie. But I do know it's a Wizard of Oz theme, so I'm super excited to see exactly what is in here. And I just love this subscription. This is only the second one, but I fell in love with the first one. These items are always so cute. So we're going to dive in and see exactly what we have for the Wizard of Oz theme. I will put the link and pricing information down below for this subscription if you would like to sign up. But let's get our box cutter and open this bad boy up. All right, so this is what we see when we open it. There we go, a little bit better. Right here. Okay, so we'll just go from top to bottom. So the first thing I'm seeing here, oh, this is cute. Okay, I'm excited about this. So this is a little pack of seeds for some flowers, and this is for red poppies. I will definitely be planting these. I planted some marigolds just a few weeks ago, and they are already about 4 to 5 inches high and about to bloom. I'm so excited. So these are gorgeous, so I will definitely plant these. So that's fun to get in here. And we got an adorable pin. I can hear my husband's comments now. But it is a broomstick pin. So cute. So cute. And it even has like the same colors as the legs of the Wicked Witch. So, yay. I love this. This is precious. And then we have a sheet of rainbow stickers, which are so cute because over the rainbow. So yay. So it's just always a fun mix of stuff. And let's see. I'm going to save the little bracelets for last. And there is always like a little easel so that if you want to prop up the card that the bracelet was on, you can. Oh, Christopher's gonna take this from me. This is the Tic Tac gum in Cool Watermelon. Yum. But like I said, Christopher will snag this for sure. Oh, and here's something else Christopher will snag. It is like a little rainbow swirl lollipop. That is fun as well. I love how it's like the rainbow theme or red. It's just, this is so cute. All right, so that is not everything. Oh, what is this? Oh, okay, so it's a little pin. And if you can see, it's, I'm getting a glare. There. It's Dorothy, Tin Man, Scarecrow, and Lion walking down the yellow brick road to the Emerald City. Oh, yay. And then there's little Toto right there, like down on the bottom. Yay, that is so cute. All right, so now on to our Wish bracelets. These are so cute always. And she does always put 2 envelopes in because if you want to wear one, you can. If you want to gift one, you can do that as well. So I think that is super cute and super nice. All right, so this one's cute. It is a little red bell or a little silver bell on a red string. Ding dong, the witch is dead. So there is that. And again, to remind you guys, it says the idea of a wish bracelet is to make a wish as you tie it on your wrist. When it falls off, your wish will come true. So how cute is that? And then, oh yes. All right, so follow the yellow brick road. And this has a black tie with Oz, O and Z. Follow the yellow brick road, follow the yellow brick road. Oh, I love that. That is so cute. I love the little wish bracelets. I think they're so cute and fun. I actually gave my best friend one of the ones from from earlier this month, one of the Easter ones, and then I had one on. And they're just fun. They're cute, and I just love it. So that was everything in the Wizard of Oz box. I think it was all so cute. The rainbow stickers, the, candy treats, the Tic Tac gum, the lollipop, that was great. The little pin I think is adorable. And of course the red poppy flower seeds are going to be beautiful. I will be planting those. And of course the pin. Yep, the pin. So let me know down below what you guys thought. Like I said, I think this subscription is just absolutely adorable, and I really enjoy it every time I open it. So I hope you did as well. Let me know down below your thoughts and how your day is going. Don't forget, we do have our 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so make sure you hop over and enter that if you have not already. And if you're new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join us. And as always, please do give the video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Otherwise, I will talk to you guys with the next one. Have a great day. Bye.